My bedroom vibe is, it's hard to explain because I sleep on a little loft above my living room, so it's not really a bedroom. So I have floral sheets and 2 lamps. That's it. They're deep poteau. They're really, really soft and amazing, and they have pink and green flowers on them. It really depends when I wake up, and it really depends how much sleep I get. But I'm good with a little bit of sleep as long as I have something to help me look awake, like highlighter the next day. But I prefer like 10 hours. If I'm going to exercise, it has to be done in the morning. I absolutely cannot put it off to the end of the day and then dread it all day. It just ruins my day. So yes, I exercise in the morning as often as I can. I do anything from Soul Cycle to SLT, or just my trainer is amazing and we have lots of fun doing random things. Coffee. I wing it, but I might do some thinking about it the day before if I have something specific that I'm going to. Body wash. Nope. Our beach body oil, and depends if I'm showering in the morning or the night, but just body oil and serum, face serum usually. Coffee. Coffee. I love tea too. I do love tea. I try to take some vitamins. I'm not very good at doing anything every day, but I do it when I think about it. I try and leave them out on the counter so that I can remember. Actually, some Gwyneth Paltrow's Goop ones are really good, and they come in everyday packets. So you get like 30 little packets, and you can I put them in my suitcases, in my handbag, so I just remember them all the time. And they're like a package of like everything you might need that day.